Central Line train approaching Stratford, platform number 6. Nine 123 to Newbury Park. Also here with Owen Armstrong and Thatcham TMD. What's up guys, trains also here with Thatcham TMD and Owen Armstrong. The train's just about to leave off of platform number 2. Platform...
Too many platforms there.
Platform 9 is the 10... That train is the 1001, 2 kilo 43, Greater Anglia service from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street. Also, the train that's just pulled in behind that is the 1000, 2 Sierra 16 service to Bishop Stortford. So another Central Line train is just coming in. Train is ready to go. There's now one onto the track. One 127 on the back, we couldn't catch what was on the front. It's now a class 321 though. 321 317.
Is that containers?
Oh, hello. 345006. One of the new TfL Crossrail trains.
That was perfect time, no, I admit.
Should we go down the end of the platform?
There's a tube train, there's another tube train, Central Line down there already.
We'll go down there.
Actually, this is... Oh, actually, hang on.
Oh, it's in service actually.
Yeah. This train is the 1004 2 Charlie 33 TfL rail service from Tradwell Heath to London Liverpool Street. Also another Central Line train, 91197. TfL train's just about to depart. Let's reiterate, this 2 Charlie 33 to London Liverpool Street. Next stop for this service is London Liverpool Street.
Otherwise on the side it's like
This is going to be like the trains that are going to be on South Western. South Western, but I mean like these light ones that are going to be on South Western soon. So South Western have ordered 701 Aventras. These are Aventras. 345006 to London Liverpool Street. The Central Line train departing as well. Let's go to the next video. What's up guys, I'm Trains also here with Owen Armstrong and Thatcham TMD. The train just about to leave off of platform 9 is the 1 Yankee 33 1005 Ipswich London Liverpool Street. Also 90's just passing.
The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 1009 TfL rail service
111, the 360 117.
Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Guildford,
This is 111 and 117. London Liverpool Street. This is What's up guys, Trains here, 357276.
Leon C, Torquay, Westcliff, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay and Shoebury-Ness. This train
357326.
8 coaches. Change at Barking
See what's on the
for
back.
services to Raynham, Ockenden, Grays and Tilbury Town.
307236 and also This is the 9 Bravo 06, London Liverpool Street to Shoebury Ness. It's 9 Bravo 06.
I've never seen a C2C train.
I've not either.
And it's very unimpressive.
You can see where it used to have the National Express on it.
What's the express on Great Norwich? Before C2C then? Is National Express now called C2C?
Yeah.
The train at platform 8 is the 10:21 C2C service to Shoebury Ness
Yeah.
via
And then they did
Basildon.
have a stake in.
Toilet Barking, Upminster, West Horndon, Langdon, Basildon, Pitsea, Bentley,
357
Leon C,
326
Brockwell,
here.
Westcliff, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay and Shoebury Ness.
316
This
on the
train
back.
is full of 8
It says 357 326 and 357 316 Shoebury Ness.
Raynham, Ockenden, Grays and Tilbury Town. Platform 8 for the 10:21 C2C service to Shoebury Ness via Basildon.
Train's ready to depart. Bravo 06 got the head code. 357 326 and 357 316 to Shoebury Ness.
Please do not leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be
you
removed
guys. We'll see you
without
next video.
warning or destroyed.
Another Central Line train approaching, also here with an Armstrong catching TMD. This is 91139 to Epping. Central Line service. Yeah. 91257 to Epping. So the train's just staying off that platform. But that one, it opens both sides. Platform either side. This train's just departing as well. Let's look at this video. What's up guys, the train's about to come through.
Platform 9 will be the 10:36 to London, Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Guildford, Seven Kings, Goodmayes.
Not 82 102. Oh, this train is stopping. This train is the 1038 1 Papa 20 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich.
Blocking off here at 10:08.
Oh,
He's going to be halfway.
nah, it goes just before the freight is due.
Usually it's one early though.
You know, they'll wait for it because I think there is something else passed through the other lines.
I'm planning to go over to 10:08 first.
Let's see this next video. So guys, trains here. The train's about to leave off of platform number 10 at Stratford International. Is the 1038 1 Papa 20 Greater Anglia service from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Also, the train just pulling into platform 9 is the 1036 2 Foxtrot 21 Greater Anglia service from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street. Also, the train that's just pulled in behind is the 1039 2 Charlie 42 Crossrail service from London Liverpool Street to Chadwell Heath.
Sama tahovala.
And this train is just about ready to depart. Let's see what we've got on the back. And on the back is 90,006. 90,006 to Norwich. Class 82 at the front. Sup guys, trains here. The train just about to pass through platform number 10 is the 1041 487 Foxtrot Freightliner service from Garston FLT to London Gateway Freightliner.
With
70,004.
service to London.
Did you hear about 70012?
Yeah, the one got dropped.
Yeah, they dropped it in the port, so it had to be taken back and scrapped. Thus, 70012 does not exist. So what's happened over there? What's happened over there?
Oh, voiding. So the tracks.
321347. That train is the 1042 1 kilo 32 London Liverpool Street to Southend Victoria. But actually this train has been altered, it's gone through platform 11. We've gone for 11 instead of 10. Because that's how to pull them. It's been altered.
It's actually going through 10A. 10A over there.
Oh, is it 10A?
Wait, right.
Oh, okay. There is the ugly mug that is Owen. Don't tell him. See it on YouTube later. 70012 to London Gateway Freightliners.
It's not 102, it's 004.
Oh, 004.
Because that one got dropped, remember?
Oh, yeah. Why did that have 0? Oh, yeah, it's because it said about 012.
Yes.
Oh, MMC. I'm also a bus geek. It's a double-decker, new bus. Well, new-ish. Depends on what the registration is. Thanks guys for seeing the next video.